Over the years, research has shown that healthy dietary patterns can reduce risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. It is vital to have awareness of the most healthful foods to ensure a wide range of nutrients in the diet. A balanced diet is the secret to healthful eating. While variety is key to a healthy diet, there's no doubt that some foods contain more nutrients than others. If you're looking to get the most out of your meals, here are 10 foods that are incredibly nutritious, delightfully tasty, and might even help dial down chronic inflammation, which is known to contribute to diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. If you're adventurous enough, you might even be able to get all 10 into one recipe. 1. Salmon. Not all fish is created equal. Salmon and other fatty types of fish contain the greatest amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are extremely important for the optimal function of your body. They're linked to improved well-being and a lower risk of many serious diseases. Although salmon is mainly prized for its beneficial composition of fatty acids, it also packs a massive amount of other nutrients. A 100-gram piece of wild salmon contains 2.8 grams of omega-3, along with lots of high-quality animal protein and ample vitamins and minerals, including large amounts of magnesium, potassium, selenium, and B vitamins. It is a good idea to eat fatty fish at least once or twice a week to get all the omega-3 your body needs. Studies show that people who eat fatty fish regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, dementia, depression, and many other common diseases. Also, salmon tastes good and is fairly simple to prepare. It also tends to make you feel full with relatively few calories. If you can, choose wild salmon instead of farmed. It is more nutritious, has a better omega-6 to omega-3 ratio and is less likely to contain contaminants. 2. Almonds. Almonds split folks into 3 categories. Those who eat them all the time, those who eat them some of the time, and those who can't touch them because they're allergic. If you happen to be the latter, this doesn't apply to you. Almonds contain no cholesterol, lots of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. Just a handful of almonds, approximately 1 ounce, contains 1/8 of a person's daily protein needs. The health benefits of almonds include lower blood sugar levels, reduced blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels. Almonds increase vitamin E levels in the plasma and red blood cells. They can also reduce hunger and promote weight loss. 3. Potatoes. Potatoes are the #1 vegetable crop in the United States and the 4th most consumed crop in the world, behind rice, wheat and corn, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Potatoes are another one of nature's nutrient strongholds. While its startling quantity of carbohydrates may shock you at first, you will be relieved to know that its high intake of potassium and vitamin C make the veggie a force to be reckoned with in the world of disease prevention. Potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which make them very healthy. Studies have linked potatoes and their nutrients to a variety of impressive health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, reduced heart disease risk and higher immunity. A 2017 study published by the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that consuming purple potatoes might reduce the risk of colon cancer. Purple potatoes are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce levels of interleukin-6 or IL-6, a protein linked to cancer cell growth within the colon. 4. Liver. All of a sudden, a couple of our earlier entries don't seem so bad, do they? Relax, liver is a common food for people to eat. And to be honest, you should try it too. Liver is one of the most nutritionally dense foods on the planet. Eating a single serving of liver can help you meet your daily recommended amount of all of these vitamins and minerals, reducing your risk of nutrient deficiency. Liver is a powerful source of vitamin A. Vitamin A is beneficial for eye health and for reducing diseases that cause inflammation, including everything from Alzheimer's disease to arthritis. Liver also contains folic acid, iron, chromium, copper, and zinc and is known to be particularly good for the heart and for increasing hemoglobin level in the blood. 5. Broccoli. Another childhood food you dreaded finding on your dinner plate, broccoli is packed with nutrients. Just a single cup of broccoli contains 3 grams of protein. Not to mention, 2.3 grams of fiber. Broccoli is a good source of fiber and protein, and contains iron, potassium, calcium, selenium and magnesium as well as the vitamins A, C, E, K and a good array of B vitamins including folic acid. Broccoli shares cancer-fighting and immune-boosting properties with other cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, Brussels sprouts and cabbage. Broccoli contains properties that depletes estrogens, which usually cause cancer in the body. Research shows that broccoli is extremely suitable for preventing breast and uterus cancer. It also helps in reducing allergic reaction and inflammation, cholesterol reduction, and promotes bone, heart and skin health. 6. Garlic. Garlic really is an amazing ingredient. Not only can it turn all sorts of bland dishes delicious, it is also very nutritious. It is high in vitamin C, B1 and B6, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese and selenium. Garlic is also high in beneficial sulfur compounds such as allicin. Many studies show that allicin and garlic may lower blood pressure as well as total and bad LDL cholesterol. It also raises good HDL cholesterol, potentially reducing risk of heart disease down the line. It also has various cancer-fighting properties. Studies show that people who eat a lot of garlic have a much lower risk of several common cancers, especially cancers of the colon and stomach. Raw garlic also has significant antibacterial and antifungal properties. 7. Blueberries. When it comes to the nutritional value of fruits, blueberries are in a league of their own. Although not as high calorie for calorie in vitamins and minerals as vegetables, they're packed with antioxidants. They are loaded with powerful antioxidant substances, including anthocyanins and various other plant compounds, some of which can cross the blood-brain barrier and exert protective effects on your brain. Several studies have examined the health effects of blueberries in humans. One study found that blueberries improved memory in older adults. Another study found that obese men and women with metabolic syndrome had a lowered blood pressure and reduced markers of oxidized LDL cholesterol when they added blueberries to their diet. This finding is in line with studies showing that blueberries increase the antioxidant value of your blood. Multiple test tube and animal studies also suggest that blueberries can help fight cancer. 8. Shellfish. Many sea animals are high in nutrients, but shellfish may be among the most nutritious of all. Commonly consumed types of shellfish include clams, oysters, scallops and mussels. Clams are among the best sources of vitamin B12 in existence, with 100 grams of clams supplying over 16 times the RDI. They are also loaded with vitamin C, various B vitamins, potassium, selenium, and iron. Oysters are also very nutritious. Only 100 grams supply 600% of the RDI for zinc, 200% of the RDI for copper and large amounts of vitamin B12, vitamin D, and several other nutrients. Though shellfish are among the world's most nutritious foods, most people rarely consume them. 9. Kale. Of all the healthy leafy greens, kale is the king. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and various bioactive compounds. Kale contains large amounts of vitamin A, C, K1B6, potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper and manganese. Kale may be even healthier than spinach. Both are very nutritious, but kale is lower in oxalates, which are substances that can bind minerals like calcium in your intestine, preventing them from being absorbed. Kale and other greens are also high in various bioactive compounds, including isothiocyanates and indole 3-carbinol, which have been shown to fight cancer in test tube and animal studies. 10. Sardines. Sardines are small, oily fish that can be eaten whole. Given that the organs are usually the most nutritious parts of an animal, it is not surprising that whole sardines are very nourishing. They contain a little bit of almost every nutrient that your body needs and are nearly nutritionally perfect. Like other fatty fish, they're also very high in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.